me tell you a little bit about Club Sky and why it's our favorite place on Walking Street. When things reopened after the pandemic, our first trip back we stayed at Fields Hotel, which was right above Club Sky. Spent a lot of our time ending our nights here and definitely making it rain. The staff and all the girls were awesome and treated us well. Also, it's pretty nice to just stumble upstairs when the night was over. We understand that everyone has a budget of what they can afford when they come here. But like everything in life, you get what you pay for. Our message is simple. If you give a little bit to these girls and treat them well, you'll have a great time, and you won't have to worry about being scammed, lied to, or whatever bad things you may hear online. This also goes with doormen, waitresses, and street vendors. If you take care of these people, they will definitely take care of you and look out for you. In the end, everyone comes here for their own reasons, and I'm pretty sure it's to have fun. But you need to spend a little bit of money to do it. Alright, back to the video.
Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side.